Hi everyone, welcome back to Swiss Home Garden. I'm Chitra. In this video, I will be showing you how to make your own DIY lip balm recipe. Let's begin. Last year I had shared a video with another DIY lip balm recipe, and there I used lavender essential oil. There is a difference to the ingredients in this recipe. Last year I used jojoba oil. In this recipe I will be using coconut oil. Coconut oil has many health benefits and has anti-inflammatory properties. We use coconut oil for body massage, especially for the hair in India. This makes your hair really healthy and nourishes your hair. So it's the same for the skin. It cools your skin during the summer months and it also moisturizes your skin. So in this recipe, we will be adding coconut oil instead of jojoba oil. You will need 2 tablespoons of cocoa butter, 2 tablespoons of beeswax pellets, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 15 to 20 drops of mint oil. You will need these special lip balm tubes. You can also make it in your own small little metallic boxes. But this is practical to carry, and when you're going skiing and out, it's just easy to open and apply. The other one is a little bit complicated when you have the gloves and everything on. Let's dive into this recipe. Place all the ingredients into a double boiler. Melt all the fat and slightly cool it, and then add in the essential oils. But you'll have to work very quickly because we're adding beeswax. Beeswax is also very nourishing for the skin. And pour it into these lip balm tools. You can use it immediately because beeswax thickens quickly, or place it in the fridge for about 15 minutes and it is ready to be used. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and this was useful to you. Please check out my blog post for the printable version of this recipe, and if you're new to my blog, kindly subscribe to my blog. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe. I post one new video every week on food from scratch, Swiss country living, gardening and natural recipes. See you in my next video. Bye bye.